Oh, I missed Hero. I went away too long. He came pretty quick today. Excuse me. Well, today's Thursday, the 23rd, and I look like I missed him. He already ate his, and he's looking around for snacks. I just put a couple little treats, and not that far away, but he's coming up looking a lot. It's about 7:30. I'm gonna watch where he goes today. So it must be a sign that he has been hungry, and he's definitely welcome back here. But it looks like he's looking for a lot more food, and I gave him a good sized bowl of food in the pan. But he doesn't want to give up, so I know he wants more food. Oh, he's watering Gail's new plants. Okay, where are you going, Prancer? I'm gonna go down the road. Well, I lost him, so I guess that'll be all for today.